Now, as part of our game, we've already made our enemies move, and we've also made our collectibles disappear when they are collected by the player. However, when we play the game, if our player gets hit by one of the enemies, then nothing happens to it because we haven't put a collision in place. So what we're going to do now is we're going to put a collision in place so that when the player gets hit by the enemy, it's going to go to the lose screen. If you double click on your O player, click on add event, go to collision, object, and then we're going to go to enemy. What we want to do is we're going to say go to, and we're going to go to a specific room, and we're going to choose the room which is going to be the lose room. Now you're going to need to do that twice because we've got one for the horizontal and we've got one for the vertical. So again, I'm going to drag that in. We're going to click on this and we're going to go to the lose. Now when we play this game now, if we get hit, you can see it's gone straight to our lose screen. And I've already put a little bit of code in there for you just to show you the score. Now, if we play this again, but this time we try to get at least one item within our score counter. So we've got 1, 2, although we haven't displayed the score counter on the main screen here yet. If we now get hit, you can see the score is now set to 4. Okay, so your score counter does work and your score counter does increase as you go up, but also your enemies now work with the collisions when they hit the player.